Hi, this is Abhay with Cricut, and today I'm going to show you how you can make your own t-shirt, which you can use as a gift for friends, family, or any small event. Or you can start your own t-shirt business. For this project, you can use Cricut machine of your own choice. Today we are using Explore 3, blank t-shirt, some Cricut tools, smart iron-on vinyl, a home iron, heat press mat, and Cricut Design Space. On Cricut Design Space, you will find lakhs of designs. But if you want to use your own design, I'm going to show you that. So once you open the Cricut Design Space, you click on New Project and you will see the Upload option right here at the leftmost menu option. So once you click this Upload button, you have the option of Upload Image. You have to click on that, click Browse, and then you have to locate your file. So I'm going to select that. Now click on Continue. Since we are using a transparent PNG file, we don't need to use this option. But if you are using a JPEG or PNG which can have the background, you can use this option to remove the background. Now click on Apply and Continue. So today we will be cutting this design, so we will be using this option as a single layer. But if you want to use this design as a print and cut file, you can use a flat graphic. So let's select this single layer option and click on Continue. You can rename your file so that it can be easier for you to access this design later on. And let's click on Upload. We are going to transfer the design on the back of our t-shirt and we need around 12 inches in height. Right now it says 15.26, so we are going to change this design to around 12. I can do it from here. So let's reduce the size and bring it down to around 12 inches. Looks good. If you want the exact 12 inches, you can just click here and select 12. So now this is exactly 12 inches in height and 6.33 inches in width. Now let's click on Make. You have the option of saving this project. You can click on Don't Save if you do not want to. Now here it is asking for multiple options. Since we are using a smart iron-on, it doesn't require any mat, and that is why we are going to select Without Mat option in Cricut Design Space. Whenever you're using a smart vinyl, you need to make sure that the shiny side is facing downwards and your design should be inverted. Okay, so here you will see that there is a mirror option. Right now you can see that our design is in its original orientation. As soon as you click on this mirror, it will be inverted. Now click on Continue, select the machine. Here we are using Explore 3. So once you select your base material, which right now we are using a smart iron-on, as soon as you click on that, a warning sign pops up which says make sure mirror is turned on and iron-on material is facing shiny side downwards. We are keeping pressure as default. Now let's load our material. This is the shiny side. So we are going to make sure that it is facing downwards. Once it is fed, now you need to click on this button right here. Now let's click on this play button to start the cutting. Once our design is cut, we need to unload the mat. So for that, let's click on this button. Now use this blade to cut the design. So our design is basically on this part. We have unused space here. So we are going to trim this part and we can further use it for our smaller projects. So let's trim this as well. We can use this for our future projects. This is our design. Now let's start weeding using Cricut weeding tool. Weeding is a therapeutic process and yeah, try to enjoy the process. So this is our final design after weeding. Now we are going to put our design on the back of our t-shirt. You need to make the surface completely flat. Let's put the design onto this t-shirt. Our iron is hot, so we simply have to iron on. Now let's peel. I would suggest you to do a cold peel so that your vinyl get transferred to the cloth properly. Our design is completely transferred to the back of the t-shirt and here is how it looks. Absolutely fantastic. So I hope you enjoyed making t-shirt with me. For more such fun and tutorial videos, make sure you subscribe our channel.